Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in mobile home insurance with American Modern, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of mobile home insurance. Assess your specific insurance needs based on the value and location of your mobile home. Research American Modern as a reputable provider in the mobile home insurance market. Gather necessary information about your mobile home, including its make, model, and age. Determine the coverage options that fit your needs, such as liability, personal property, and loss of use. Visit the American Modern website or contact them directly for personalized information. Obtain a quote by providing the required information about your mobile home and coverage preferences. Compare the quote with other providers to ensure you are getting competitive rates. Review the policy details carefully, checking for coverage limits, deductibles, and any exclusions. Ask questions to clarify any uncertainties you may have about the policy terms. Complete the application process by submitting any required documents. Choose a payment plan that suits your budget, whether it's annual or monthly payments. Confirm that you have received your policy documents, including proof of insurance. Store your policy documents in a safe place and consider digital options for easy access. Set reminders for policy renewal to ensure continuous coverage. Reach out to American Modern's customer service for assistance with any policy changes or claims in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.